Hi everyone, it's Nelda. Welcome back to my channel and thank you for clicking this video. I hope you're all doing well. Today I will talk about clear stamps, how to use them. I will decorate a few pages of my journal. I will do the draw for my 2 giveaways and I hope that you stay till the end of this video. Clear stamps can be used to make cards, to make tags, to decorate journal pages, and we have types of clear stamps. We have the acrylic stamps. These are examples. And then we have the photopolymer stamps. Acrylic clear stamps are less expensive than the photopolymer stamps. They are more stretchy to the feel, lighter in weight, and they are very easy to find. The dollar store offers a wide variety of clear acrylic stamps for your craft needs. Then we have the photopolymer stamps, which are the same as the polymer stamps. They are heavier and they are of higher quality than the acrylic stamps, and I find that they give clearer and crisper images. To use the clear stamps, we need the clear block to mount our stamps on, and of course we need the ink, and these can be found in the dollar store as well. The clear blocks are also reusable. To use the clear stamp, peel off the stamp right off the backer and stick to the clear block. There is no need to apply adhesive because the clear stamps have natural cling and will stick to the block right away. Between the photopolymer stamps and the acrylic stamps, I find that the acrylic stamps don't stick that well to the block, especially over time. We need paper, and today I am going to use Japanese paper to decorate my journal inside pages. I love the design and the texture of Japanese paper. I have a few that I chose for my journal, and this is what I will use today. Look at this. Very pretty. I will also use the card from Lavinia Stamp. I love its thickness. It has 220 GM and wonderful designs too. Now that we have our materials ready, let's start stamping. So bring the stamp to the ink pad and tap it on the ink pad lightly to fully cover the stamp with ink. Bring the stamp to the paper and stamp it. Apply pressure all around and just simply lift the stamp. There you go. I will add some sentiments. This will go to my encouragement journal. So I will add some Bible verses and motivational phrases. But I like my designs to be very simple because I will decorate as I journal. And I will also add this group of birds flying together. And oh, there's a term for that, a group of birds flying together. I just cannot remember at this time. But maybe you can let me know. Just leave me a comment down below. So this is a very simple design and that is what I am aiming for. And to clean the stamp, wipe with baby wipes or wet cloth. You can use wet paper towel and wipe the ink off. Once it is clean, just peel it off and put it back on the storage sheet or the plastic sheet. Now this is going to be a tag that I will use as a pocket or a tuck in my journal page, and I will just tear the paper and back it with another Japanese paper. I will not ink the edges of the white paper, and I will use the regular glue that I bought from the dollar store to stick it to the blue Japanese paper. And then I will use a manila file folder to mat this tag. So now that this is done, let us make another one. I will use the 220 GM card from Lavinia Stamp with the moon design. It's beautiful. And we will stamp with the group of birds flying together. And that is all I am looking for. Simplicity. I will add a sentiment also. This is a Bible passage. And then because this card is too big for my journal page, I will just cut it down. But the remaining, we don't throw, because this can be used as a belly band or for something else. And ink the edges using the Ranger Distress ink. And so that is done. Very simple. And let's make another one. This card is also from Lavinia Stamps, and let's add butterfly. The background is very pretty already, so it really does not need much. But I am going to add a Bible verse. First, let us stamp something on the right side, and we are using a acrylic stamp here. And that will be okay. And I will stamp this little butterfly. Let us add a Bible passage. Maybe another text on the bottom here. Okay, so that's not good. I don't like that, so we're gonna fix it. Maybe add another text. That's better. And there is no way around it anymore, so that's okay. And then this is another Bible verse. So there you go. Very simple, but I like it. What do you think, guys? So we'll just fold this and use this as a tuck. So now we have three very easy to make, very simple elements that we can add to the journal. And I already added a pocket to the end pages. And I will use this every day to journal. That is my goal. And I will decorate as I journal. So this book does not really need too much decorations, because I will do it again as I write every day. So this will be a nice tuck, and for now I am not going to glue it yet because I may move it to another page. So I will just use paper clip, but I know that I want this as a tuck, not as a pocket. There you go. And this tag We can put it here for now. And I will use paper clip also. And this will be a tuck. But for now, I will not glue it yet. Okay, this probably is better here. This will be a tuck, but for now, I'm not going to glue it yet. I will just use paper clip. So there. So very simple, easy to make decorations for the journal using our clear acrylic and photopolymer stamps. I am going to also stamp a blank page, and it is not that easy to stamp anymore when the page is bound or the signatures are bound. But let's see what happens. Oops, okay, so this needs fixing. Let's see, let's add sentiments. And let's see how it goes. Hopefully we can fix it. Okay, what do you think? That is better, right? I will leave it like that. Okay, friends, now is the exciting part. I am going to pick two winners, one for the Edith Holden, The Country Diary of an Edwardian Lady, and one for our book plate and a set of book corner protectors. So this is for the Edith Holden book, and we are going to pick one winner. Thank you again, everyone, for joining this giveaway, and good luck! So the book, the beautiful Edith Holden book, goes to Christina's Creations 69. Woo, Christina! I know you love the book. I've seen your messages. So yes, congratulations, Christina. So please message me and I will send the book right away. And the set of book corner protectors and the book plate goes to Harry N. Harry N. Thank you so much for joining, and congratulations to both of you. So there you go, everyone. I hope that you like this video. Please let me know what you think. Please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell. Thanks again, everyone, for joining me today. God bless you. Bye now. Till next time. Stay safe.